To my fellow Filipinos, brothers and sisters, especially those who are in the Bicol region, I am conveying to you my deepest sympathy and concern for the loss of your loved ones who perished and suffered from the wrath of Super Typhoon Christine. I am deeply saddened by the widespread devastation and loss of lives caused by the typhoon. I hope that in the midst of the great sorrow and pain, you will find comfort in the fact that millions of people, including my family, are in solidarity with you. On behalf of my family, I bring you my message of love and hope, as well as our prayers and my commitment to lend a helping hand on my little own way in rebuilding the shattered lives of the typhoon victims brought by Typhoon Christine. In my little capacity, I hope and pray that the indomitable spirit who resides in the Bicolano people, together with your deep faith in God, yung malalim niyong pananampalataya sa ating Panginoon, will continue to be as strong as ever to help you rise above this great tragedy. May you find courage in God and always be reminded that our strength, ang lakas po natin, ay nanggagaling sa Kanya. I join you in your prayers for the speedy recovery of our brothers and sisters who were battered by Typhoon Christine. May the passage in the scripture that says, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Psalms 23, verse 4. Resonate in our prayers so that we may find courage and hope in these times of sorrow. Muli po, ako po, Dr. Attorney Joey Montemayor, ay kasama nyo sa panalangin at lalong-lalo na sa pagdadalamhati nito at ganoon din sa ating pananampalataya sa ating Panginoong Yesus. Sinabi sa salita ng Diyos, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Even though I walk through the valley of death, I will fear no evil. For you, Lord, you are with me. Salamat po. I will continue to pray for you and for all the lives that were affected by this severe typhoon. I will continue to pray that the Lord will protect you in this time of need, in this time of crisis, as well as provision for material things and physical protection. To God be the glory po. Salamat po.